So here we are at the waterfall. A huge group of folks. Rob. Just like an amazingly gorgeous day. Not too much water here. Usually it's pretty flowy. It's pretty dry right now, but we have a really good crew today. Pretty big crew. Probably gonna walk down the waterfall a little bit and see how it looks without all the water in it. But it's really beautiful out here. More of the waterfall. Not so much water in it, but really beautiful.
I like to throw the trail to the bottom. That would be awesome.
Bunch of dirtbaggers in the woods. Gorgeous day.